Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to MJC Creativity. I trust we are all doing very well. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for liking, commenting. So today we'll be concluding our feathers fascinators tutorial. Today you can see I am done. We started with one at the part 1 of our video, so I am done with the 3 stick now. And remember, we have a video that talks about how to wrap Harley's band with the rope at the tip. So next thing to do now is to arrange your feather stick on the band and see how the fitting will be. That's the first thing. Arrange it, play around with it, and see how it is. So when you are okay with the arrangement, it's now left for you to start tagging it. So what you need to tag is to pick your needle and fishing line. That's what I use here. So just tag it anyhow, anyway, but firmly and neatly. Don't forget, that's our slogan here. Firmly and neatly. Make sure everything is neat and firm. So I'm done tagging the 3 and I've cut off the excess fishing line. What we now do now is we will not leave this middle part like this because the fishing line will still be showing. So you now take the trimming, part of the trimming that remain, we'll use it to cover. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. Now you can see I have my trimming. You first apply your gum. Apply your gum to maybe at the back side. Just watch what I'm doing. Apply your gum to it. Then you will now neatly wrap your trimming. Use your trimming to cover that middle part neatly. Not too much. Just watch what I am doing in this video. Watch what I'm doing. Do well to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share our videos, and let others also enjoy what you are enjoying. So that's what you will do. Wrap it neatly and firmly. Okay, you can see it. It is very neat and firm. So that's what you will do to the fascinator. And after you're done, you are satisfied with what you have, you put your gum again. So I'm satisfied now. I'll cut off the excess trimming, apply my gum, and allow it to gum to the band. Thank you for watching.